3, 2, 1.
In what industry has using different locations become useful? The answer is D, film industry. What researcher showed that the gene feedback loop serves as a repressor? The answer is D, Andrew Miller. Who is Sagan plotting to kill? The answer is A, Senator Ernest Harrison. How many foreign trips did Montini make as cardinal? The answer is D, 15. What are the first 6 rounds? The answer is B. The first 6 rounds are qualifiers. What actor was originally considered for the role of John Rambo in the 1982 movie First Blood, which was eventually given to Sylvester Stallone? The answer is D. All of these. What were the names of Jess's identical twin sons on the sitcom Full House? The answer is B, Nikki and Alex. What is the traditional birthstone for May? The answer is D, Emerald. What river divides Abkhazia from Georgia? The answer is B, the Ingur River. What era was there a Gallo-Roman vicus on the same site? The answer is A, Roman era. What process is most commonly used? The answer is B, the Craft process. How many selective grammar schools are still currently functioning in England and Wales? The answer is D, 164. What city is Dell's Minnesota facility in? The answer is B, Eden Prairie. What might be the OPS major of study? The answer is D, Economics. What product advertised itself as the Freshmaker? The answer is B, Mentos. The vacuum state is considered what? The answer is B, the ground state of matter. What were the designations of the 2 redesigned 360 models, and when did they come out? The answer is D, Xbox 360S in 2010 and the Xbox 360
Which of the following burns
in
due to
2013. The answer is C, tea candle. What is one type of writing not included in the formalistic definition of literature? The answer is C, journalism. In Wales, Who had the capability of submitting a bill to the Supreme Court? The answer is C. Counsel General for Wales or the Attorney General. What entities are not included in the federal healthcare system? The answer is D. The VA, the Indian Health Service, and NE. When did the Russian Empire begin to question the existence of the Ottoman Empire? The answer is A. 1853. Which singer duetted with Joe Cocker on their 1982 smash hit record Up Where We Belong? The answer is B. Jennifer Warnes. What is the name of the Griffin's dog, who is also Peter's best friend on the animated show Family Guy? The answer is B. Brian. Danger Mouse lives in what kind of building or structure? The answer is B. A post box. The Baroque violin became what modern instrument? The answer is D. The violin. What was the fully overhauled successor to Mac OS 9? The answer is C. Mac OS X. What controls the amount of input voltage? The answer is D. The gate. What are 20% of fires resulting from? The answer is B. Arson. What movie title was translated as Super Horny in Israel and Super Guys Who Play Hooky in Portugal? The answer is D. Superbad. Who drafted a plan to divide the German territory into 14 unequal states? The answer is B. Hugo Prius. Why is the narrator surprised by the war? The answer is B. We are nonchalant. What did the Football League's television agreement price rise to in 1988? The answer is A. £44 million. Which English scientist and philosopher invented the magnifying glass in 1250? The answer is B. Roger Bacon. What shape are the 8 faces of an octahedron? The answer is C. Triangles. What were the organic articles a part of? The answer is B. The Concordat. The songs people will say we're in love and the Surrey with the fringe on top are from which stage show? The answer is D. Oklahoma. A man wearing a yellow shirt and a man wearing a black shirt play racquetball. The man in black serves the ball. The man in yellow serves the ball. The man in yellow, what happens next? The answer is C. Serves the ball again. What did I do during the party? The answer is A. I was with someone and we did not drink. What era did Ireland enter when the Roman Empire ended? The answer is C. Golden Age. Which of these body systems do jellyfish not have? The answer is B. All of these. During which war did the first known pandemic take place? It dates back to 430 BC. The answer is B. The Peloponnesian War. The idea of evolution has been around for centuries. In fact, it goes all the way back to the ancient Greek philosopher named. The answer is C. Aristotle. Who suggested that by including the presence of an omniscient God, selfishness can be controlled and cooperation can be gained? The answer is C. Matt Rossano. Which South African golfer won this month's U.S. Masters tournament with a score of 14 under par? The answer is B. Charles Schwartzel. Who presents the Radio 4 panel game The Unbelievable Truth and is married to Victoria Coren? The answer is A. David Mitchell. The 1940 book To the Finland Station by Edmund Wilson at traces communism refers to the arrival of Lenin at the said railway station in what city? The answer is B. St. Petersburg. Which country was the first in the world to introduce a driving test? The answer is B. France. What group of animals was Cody tied up and hung over? The answer is C. Crocodiles. From which country does Kronenberg Lager originate?